A 7.7 magnitude earthquake that hit Kashmir. This is now 9:47 we are talking about in the night. People were in the New Year ceremonies and they were preparing for the month of the fasting, and then earthquake hit. This is the latest images that we have. As you can see, this chandelier is a very good display of how the earth tremors actually are visible. People have to rush out of their home because the buildings can collapse. This is something that happened in the past. In 2005, we had similar earthquake in that region, almost the same magnitude, 7.6, I think it was. And what damage it caused was stunning. Buildings completely collapsed. Some of them didn't even get damaged, the wooden ones, for example, but the rest of them just flattened. Anybody who lived in the lower, stories get completely flattened. This multi-story car park, and the same with this building. That only one which stayed had a good example of a shaft for a lift. Indian subcontinent is causing this. A break of Gondwana, India, and Australia separating, hitting the Eurasia. Also, the process of separation of the Saudi Arabian Peninsula from the Gondwana, which is Africa, creating earthquake in all that belt of the Himalaya Alp orogenic or mountain building belt. This one is from that. This is just the hinge of the where the India and the Arabian plate hit the Eurasia. This is causing a lot of damage. I hope if you can ask your country and help through the Red Cross.